When we started to gain popularity in certain product lines, it became obvious to us that we needed to really ramp up production rates. And we weren't going to change the way in which we make the product. We definitely still wanted US-based steel. We wanted US componentry. And so it was important for us to figure out a way that can do high volume manufacturing. So one of the products that we came out with was the P17 pistol. Now there's a particular part in the P17, probably the most complex CNC part of the P17, which is the bolt. Within the year, it was discovered that this is a very popular product for us. And we were producing these on 2 horizontal machines on 3 shifts. That was 6 employees. Then one of our programmers kind of looked at the part and determined that the actual sizing of this would lend itself to a Eurotech Rapido. Now, interestingly enough, we went from 45 parts per shift on a single horizontal up to 185 parts. And the 180 parts per shift was on a single Eurotech run by a single operator that was able to attend other Swiss lathes. Once we were able to get this thing manufactured and repeatable, it kind of opened Pandora's box, and you kind of look at the rest of the factory going, okay, do I need to get another building? Do I have to buy 3 more machines? Or can I just get 1 machine, use my existing infrastructure, and then have our existing footprint that doesn't have to make that one part make other things? And so that's what the Eurotech Rapido allowed us to do.